Okay, we got these proven winner. These are pretty neat. It's the first year we had them. These are actually the Rose of Sharons and stuff. But the biggest question we get asked is, are they too wet or are they too dry? Okay, there's a couple ways you can check. You can look at these here and you can see they're kind of wilting a little bit. So the question is this one too dry or is it too wet? So you can see that it's really dry on top, but you can actually go down below, see if it's really wet. And it is. It actually is really wet. So these have beautiful flowers on it. This one probably should have been planted a whole lot deeper. And I would guess right now, it probably has root rot from being too wet. And that's probably the problem that this one has here. So we have this variegated one. It's called Sugar Tip, and it's a nice double one. And you can see they're starting to get a little green on the soil here. So this has been wet for a while. We're gonna let this dry out for a couple days and not even water it. This one here, you can see the pretty purple flowers on it. And this is the blue chiffon, or chiffon, however you want to pronounce it. And it actually is pretty wet also. So this one really needs to dry out. Today in Washington here, it's going to be really hot. So it's going to be probably close to 100 or more in this greenhouse. And what the challenge is to look at these leaves and see why they're drooping. Are they drooping because they're too dry? One thing that we can see is after you water these and they're too dry, within a couple hours they'll perk back up. This one here looks pretty good. Leaves are down. It's actually too wet. This is the Star Blast chiffon. It's got really neat flowers on it. So we ended up with 4 varieties of these this year, and they look really good. This one here is the Purple Pillar. It's really neat looking, and it don't have many flowers on it, so I don't know if it's a later one. But the really cool thing about these Rose of Sharons here, as you can see, the flowers, they actually grow up in a column. This variegated one here will be really neat. And this one here, you can see the double flowers and the flowers going up in the column also. So that's just our take this year on growing these, and this is the first year growing them. Thanks for watching this video.